Hi kids, welcome back to Carambola Star. Names of fruits. Apple. This is an apple. Pear. This is a pear. Strawberry. This is a strawberry. Melon. This is a melon. Orange. This is an orange. Kiwi. This is a kiwi. Mulberry. This is a mulberry. Grapefruit. This is a grapefruit. Grapes. These are grapes. Peach. This is a peach. Blueberries. This is a blueberry. Pineapple. This is a pineapple. Persimmon. These are persimmons. Coconut. This is a coconut. Lemon. This is a lemon. Papaya. This is a papaya. Fig. This is a fig. Mango. This is a mango. Watermelon. This is a watermelon. Banana. This is a banana. Nectarine. This is a nectarine. Raspberry. This is a raspberry. Avocado. This is an avocado. Cherries. These are cherries. Apricots. This is an apricot. Plum. This is a plum. Jackfruit. This is a jackfruit. Pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. Lime. This is a lime. Tangerine. This is a tangerine. Lychee. This is a lychee. Guava. This is a guava. Dragon fruit. This is a dragon fruit. Quince. This is a quince. Mangosteen. This is a mangosteen. Snake fruits. This is a snake fruit. Soursop. This is a soursop. Jabuticabas. This is a jabuticaba. Lesson Review. Avocado. Apple. Pear. Strawberry. Melon. Orange. Kiwi. Mulberry. Grapefruit. Grapes. Peach. Blueberries. Pineapple. Coconut. Lemon. Papaya. Fig. Mango. Watermelon. Banana. Nectarine. Raspberry. Cherries. Apricot. Plum. Jackfruit. pomegranate, tangerine, lime, guava, dragon fruit. Subscribe to Carambola Star for more videos. Thank you for watching.